Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyushar here. In this video, I want to share how I use 3-quart instant pot in the kitchen every day. This is my favorite kitchen item. I use this on everyday basis. With the timer, it is so convenient to cook different items. I use this one to make dal, sambar, chana dal, and milk boiling vegetables and different ways. So let's see how I use them. I use this instant pot to cook the vegetables by using the steam option. So for the instant pot, I fill it up with little water and I use this IKEA basket for the steaming purpose, and I select the steaming option to cook the vegetables. You can also cook different varieties of vegetables like potato, sweet potato, taro roots using the water in the steam option. Every day I cook dal in instant pot. I soak tur dal for 15 minutes and cook in instant pot in bean and chili option. This is the mostly used option. There is no spillage or burnt. We don't need to overlook it, so it becomes easy to cook dal instead of the pressure cooker. And later I keep the dal in saute mode to add the salt and turmeric and water to mix it. Also cook sambar in instant pot. After cooking the dal separately, I then remove the lid and adding all the vegetables into the dal and adding the turmeric powder, tamarind and chili powder, salt, adding sufficient water and then closing the lid and cook the vegetables for 15 minutes in the pressure cook mode. And later just we need to add the tempering. We can also make sambar in instant pot by using the soup option. After soaking dal for some time, we need to add all vegetables like drumsticks, onions, potatoes, tomatoes, and carrots, and just close the lid and select the soup option. After 30 minutes, all the vegetables along with dal are cooked nicely. Then we need to add all ingredients like tamarind paste, salt, and chili powder, and then add the tempering. The sambar is ready deliciously. Whenever I want to cook chana dal or rajma, we can soak them for 8 hours and then cook it in the instant pot. In instant pot, they will be cooking very nicely, softly. So by using the bean and chili option, whenever we cook for 30 minutes, it's very soft in cooking in the instant pot. Can also boil the milk in instant pot. This is the bowl with full of milk, and I am keeping it in instant pot. Instant pot has little water on it, and I am closing the lid. Press the steam option to boil the milk with the 0 minutes. So make it as 0 and then leave it so the milk will be boiled in the instant pot. Once the pressure is released, we need to take out the lid, and now the milk is in warm mode. So we need to cancel it to cool it down. Once the milk is in warm enough to make the yogurt, we need to take the yogurt culture and add it to the milk and mix it nicely and close the lid and select the yogurt option in instant pot so that warm temperature is the yogurt option is very useful to make the yogurt in winter times. So I always use this option to make the yogurt. The yogurt is set and it is very thick and it is ready to eat. I cook pasta very frequently. My kids love pasta. Whenever I make it, I cook pasta in instant pot with saute option for 20 minutes with sufficient amount of water. I also add salt and oil in it, so I don't need to check on it until it gets cooked. Later I'll strain out the water. Also make any curries using the saute option. Here I am showing you how I made paneer butter masala in instant pot. In saute mode I added oil and cashew nuts along with onions, and once they are sauteed I added the tomatoes and add salt and chili powder and blend it and add the paneer pieces. So this is how we can make any curries in the instant pot. I also use instant pot to make some desserts like rava kesari or milk pongal. So in the instant pot, I added the ghee and added the cashew nuts and raisins, and now adding the rava and add the same amount of sugar. Later, after sauteing, add the water and cook it in the pressure cook for 4 minutes. The delicious sweet is ready. Instant pot we can make different type of flavored rice. Here I am showing how I made the cabbage and potato rice. In the instant pot I added the oil with the masala ingredients and onion and cabbage and potato. After sauteing them I just added the tofu and rice along with water, and I cooked in the pressure cook mode for 5 minutes. The flavored rice is very delicious and it is ready in 5 minutes. This is how I use the instant pot every day, and this is my favorite because of its size, and I like the instant pot for 3 quarts. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.